Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a rice fritters or rice balls in my way. Let's see all the ingredients and let's start. I added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds in a pan with a 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. After the mustard seed burst, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of black gram. So 1 teaspoon of black gram. So the black gram is roasted. I am going to add ingredients one by one. I am going to add 2 chopped green chilies and curry leaves and a little bit chopped ginger. Finally, add 3 small shallots. I am having a leftover idli dosa batter, so I am going to add these ingredients into the batter. So finally, spray some asafoetida powder on the pan. That's enough, just a pinch. Here I have taken 200 ml of batter, idli dosa batter. It's a leftover batter. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, and then I'm going to add the ingredients we tampered on a pan. So I'm going to mix it well. So this is the batter for making a rice balls or rice fritters. In the rice fritter mixer, I'm going to add a 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. It's a green color powder for the color, and also it's very healthy for the kids. Mix it. So rice fritter batter is ready to use. So the rice fritter pan is ready. I'm going to add some drop of oil. All the spots. Then add a half of the batter in each, like this. Put the stove in a low flame. Just fill the half, don't fill it fully. Just fill half. For the green color, I added a moringa leaf powder. It's a natural food color. I did not add any artificial food color. So after making the rice fritter, just close it. For the fast cooking process, you can close it in the lid like this, so that it will be cooked fast. It's just an option. So let's turn to the back side like this. So both sides are cooked perfectly. As you can see, both sides are cooked perfectly, and this rice fritters are ready to serve. My rice fritters is ready to eat along with the coconut chutney. Coconut chutney is very very delicious for this rice fritter. Even the tomato and onion chutney is also delicious. So try this at home and tell me how it tastes. Thanks for watching.